Hi guys, I hope you're all doing good and welcome back to another exciting episode of What is Your Hobby? In this tutorial, we'll be looking at all the basic patterns used in embroidery, and by the time we finish this tutorial, you'll have all the basic skills that you need to jump off for your first embroidery project. So let's dive right into the video and see what's in store for us. Hi guys, in this session we will learn cross stitch and chain stitch. Starting off with cross stitch, start from the back of the cloth, insert the needle at the top left corner of the square you want to stitch on. Next, go to the bottom right in order to complete the first half of the stitch. Leave a couple of inches of loose thread. Don't make a knot or twist your thread, just be very careful with it and just hold it firmly in place for now. And bring the needle back in from the bottom left corner. There's one thing left to do, and that is closing the stitch. Just go through the top right corner and you are done. You just completed your first stitch. Think of it like writing an alphabet X. Now keep practicing a few more. Just repeat the same steps over the next square. Keep stitching until you're comfortable with the steps. It's also very important to keep in mind that you should always follow the same order of steps so you don't end up with mismatched stitches. You can also try changing colors or going vertically. I hope that was helpful. Now let's move on to the chain stitch. Begin your chain stitch by bringing the thread up at the starting point. Then adjust your needle and take the needle back through the same hole, then down again a short distance away. After that, pull the thread all the way through until a loop forms. Then we repeat the same process. Put the needle back down in the same hole that you came up, and then bring it back another stitch length away. Make sure the thread is under the needle before pulling it tight to form the second loop in the chain. Now continue this pattern until you have reached the desired length. Once you get the hang of it, it's really simple stitch that can be used in variety of ways. That's it guys, I hope that was really helpful. If you want to learn more cool patterns, go check it out on our website. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video.